This is the brand new Ford Transit Limited for 2019. This one's the 185 PS. It's the L2H2 version of the Limited. As you can see, there's a few new styling features on this van. The most obvious one so far, these great daytime running lights, made famous by the Transit Custom. Great looking vehicle with those on. We've also got the body coloured bumpers, again with the Limited version of the van. Comes with those. Alloy wheels, again synonymous with the Limited and the Ford Transit range. And on the side, the sliding door to get you into the load compartment of the van. Now, for the vast majority of people who buy a Ford Transit, this basically becomes their office. So it not only needs to drive nicely, it needs to be a nice place to be. And it is. It's really spacious, really smooth and pleasant to drive. And that 185 PS engine, which for idiots like me who just like to go fast, yeah, it's a fast van, is actually really handy for people who carry large loads in the back or are towing with it. It's really excellent to drive. Now the Ford Transit for 2019, this one being the Limited, can come with all sorts. This one's got cruise control, very handily set up on the steering wheel. You can keep your eyes on the road, as well as your hands-free controls. There's also so many cup holders in here. I mean, I'm sitting here on my own, or with my cameraman. Why has it gone away? And yeah, we've got cup holders here, all easily accessible from the driving position. Nothing really to distract you. You've got this great big windscreen as well. Again, synonymous with Transit. You feel like you're in a really well thought out, well designed driving space. It's also, and it's something that Ford specialise in with their commercial vehicles, very similar to driving a car. You don't get the feeling that you've got a large amount of room and a large amount of vehicle behind you. You feel, well, I could be in a Ford Mondeo on stilts or something like that. It's very comfortable, very easy to drive, and very pleasant to live with. Now, into the load compartment of the Ford Transit, what the Ford Transit is known for. Now, this is the L2H2 version of this van, so it's the smallest one in the Ford Transit range. However, as you can see, I'm just under 6'2", I'm in my heels. I can walk around in it perfectly comfortably. It's actually bigger than the first room I ever had at university. You've got the LED light pack option in this one. Lights things up beautifully on a dark winter's morning or dark winter's night when you're getting home from work. It's got the Ford factory protection as standard in here. We can arrange further ply lining for you here at Pye Motors, should that be something you want. We've also got the Ford Easy Clean floor, which again slides nicely in and out, very easy to clean as the name might suggest. What we've also got, which we've noticed in a lot of commercial vehicles from other manufacturers, is the bulkhead's nice and flat, so you can make the most of everything that you've got in here, anything you might need to put in. Okay, now we've moved back inside to the relative comfort and definite warmth from outside. I'm going to talk you through a few of the features we've got in here. Starting on my side of the vehicle, we've got electric wing mirrors, so you can adjust them all electrically. Automatic lights down here by my right knee. On the steering wheel, we have all the controls here for the trip computer. You can scroll through, see what your miles to gallon is, anything you want really on the trip computer. Also controls for voice activation, moving onto the screen, and also you can pick the phone up, put the phone down without taking your hands off the steering wheel. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your volume controls for your media, as well as the cruise control and limiters all there. Again, no need to take, you can do it all with your thumbs, no need to take anything off the steering wheel. Across here, you've also got the gear stick, the 6-speed manual gearbox in this vehicle. You'll notice lots and lots of cup holders, lots of cubbies, all on the dash, in the dash, and above us here in the cabin. Very handy. Again, lots and lots of documents people carry around nowadays. Moving on to the centre console here, this is the climate control. Now, this being the Limited, you've got the air conditioning as standard. You've got the Ford heated windscreen, again, that we're famous for. And you'll notice the major difference in the 2019 Ford Transit van is the Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen. Again, you may know this from the Transit Custom. A lot of the cars in the Ford range as well have this system. It's now been put in the Transit van, and it makes a huge amount of difference. You can control your audio from here. It's all touchscreen, all very simple. You can go into Radio 1, turn up the volume if you like, listen to some dreadful modern music. Across to your phone, again, you can hook it up to Bluetooth. You can also use the media from your phone. You've got music on your phone. You can control all of that through there. Also works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can get sat-nav on there as well. All kinds of mobile apps, as I just said, and the settings are adjustable. All very simple to use, even for someone like me. Yeah, genuinely a nice place to be is the front of this van. So that is the brand new Ford Transit van for 2019. This one's the 185 PS Limited. If you've liked this video, you want to hear any more information about the vans, whether you're planning on buying one or not, we'll always give you some advice on Ford commercials, then subscribe to the videos, give us a like, and yeah, get in touch if you want any more information.